To get in the legendary Franklin's BBQ, you'll have to wait hours to snag one of those famous briskets. Wait times during the week at Franklin BBQ are typically 2 to 3 hours, and on weekends, closer to 4 to 5 hours. Note that they open at 11 a.m. I just couldn't see myself waiting in such a long line under the hot sun, so I did some investigating, and I was able to get to the front of the line. No waiting, no kidding. I will share with you the local secret to snagging one of those famous Franklin BBQ briskets. Bon Appetit claims Franklin BBQ is the best barbecue restaurant in America, and many people agree. Over 6,000 reviews in Yelp with a 4.5-star rating. The brisket takes 44 hours of labor to get it ready to eat. Their secret? Plain salt and pepper and their post oak wood. It takes 12 to 16 hours to cook, and the temperature varies from 265 to 320 degrees depending on the weather, the thickness of the meat, and the wood. 11 a.m. is when they open, and by 2 p.m. they're pretty much all sold out. Barbecue crawl today! Yay!
Look at this long ass line of people with chairs. Holy cow. Look at this. It's gonna take me like 5 minutes just to walk to the front. Look at this line. Oh, selling Main Street again. Hello. More waiting, more waiting, more waiting. These people are lucky, they're in the shade right here. Shade. Okay, whoa. Up here, look at you guys. That's awesome right there. It's awesome. Right up here. This is where some people will eat. Long line. This is
We're in Franklin's BBQ. Yay, we made it inside.
This is the famous Franklin's before they open.
We are about to eat Franklin BBQ, their famous brisket. And we actually didn't wait or fall in line since 5 a.m. We went there for a pre-order. That's how you do it, people. Pre-order. Luckily, we discovered that Franklin's has pre-orders for pickup when ordering from 2 to 42 days in advance. They have a 5-pound minimum and a 30-pound maximum for orders, and they're only open for lunch. Pre-orders are available for pickup between 10:30 a.m. and 2 p.m., and they also have 3 parking spaces that are dedicated for pre-order pickups. If you do not see a date available in the 42-day time frame, it has been filled. And if you don't live in Austin, you can now get it delivered to your home. I just learned that they do nationwide shipping within the United States. Look at that.
This brisket piece right here.
Mmm, that's good.
This is my first bite of their brisket.
Where's my plate? I lost it.
Very tender,